Here we are, stopped for lunch. Diet's going well. Show you what I've got. Something healthy. Look at that baby. There's Oggy digging in this already. He loves it. He loves it, he does.
I just don't like egg. They go everywhere.
Oh, go up,
Mobbing like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger out the window getting fucked off? Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me.
Look at that. Left some.
What?
Left some. It's not like me, not Ogg, is it? Oggy's.
That's off my plate, you fucker.
It's not. It's actually correct. Oggy, what was your synopsis on the egg?
The egg was really eggy.
It was really eggy. Right. So that's breakfast done. That's breakfast done, Ogg, innit? Yeah, I'm gonna be burping in a bit. It started already. Now we're going head down now from here to somewhere we've not been before, and then across to Ballaway. Yeah. Well, we'll see, Ogg. You lead, Ogg. I like you leading. Turns me on. Turns me on, Ogg, when you're leading. No, I like you leading, Oggy. Come on, don't argue, mate, or you'll be out of the Very Strange Bikers. So your plan is, we'll ride around Wales now, go on a campsite, shout hello if no one answers, jump in the tent, test the sleeping bag out. Yeah, should we... oh no. You fucking dickhead. That's a fucking good job. Yeah, pull up, no one answers, jump in the tent, test the sleeping bag out. If it's alright, rob it. I want a double one that we can share. Yeah, it is, lay by ear. Not me, you sleep naked and all, don't you? Which is a bonus. Yeah. You're not sleeping naked when we're camping, are you? You're not, are you? If you do, mate, I'm gonna fucking film it. Right, let me plug this shit in. Right, where's my cable? I've lost it. There it is. No, that's not it. Cable. There it is. Fucking hell, it's nearly back of my ear. Don't know what that was. Got a bleep then. That phantom bleep.
It might have been the sound of mine coming through the headset. No?
That's it. I can see what fucking... see my little red flashing light now. Right, ready when you are.
Right. Put your aerial up.
Oh yeah. The aerial. That up. Roger.
Roger, dodge it.
Clear behind.
I'm going.
I've just like that.
Oh my god.
Put it in gear before, put my stand up, stalled it. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. There he is. Oh, you bastard. I was just about to mention that then. Fucking indicator on, you turn it off. That's it. I feel alive now. I've had something to eat, Ogg. Can't believe I left some chips though. I won't, we just need... I need another brew whenever we can get one, because that weren't big enough. That's £3.10 for that little brew, you know. How much do you reckon the sausage, egg, chips and beans was? I could... Fuck off, mate, I didn't rob you. Right, so, what price would you put on that? What do you reckon you'd pay for that? up. It's more than that. Yeah, the food was more. Yeah, well, this ain't penny black, mate. This is Wales, mate. It was £9.10 each. That was. Yeah, no, yeah, it's there, but it's still the best. It's still the best sausage, egg, chips and beans you've had, innit? Peace out, brother! Oh, it's lovely round here, Oggy, innit? Bloody marvel, lads! Came taking pictures of rocks, weirdo. Fucking lovely little rock there, bit of water on it. Fucking crack cocaine. Cheers, Og. Cheers for what you've just done. Yeah, fucking wanker. Oh, got it. I got it, mate. It's fucking beautiful. Love it. No, you don't have to fucking try, Og. They're comical with you in them, mate. Trust me. You don't have to fucking do out. You just carry on as normal, Og. Leave the comical shit to me.
A few moments later.
Cheers, everyone. Cheers, damn, when I went at that table near the bin, they're all there having a little toast with the kids. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Cheers, Lola. Cheers. What? Fucking idiots. Is what? Make sure I don't run over him now then. Your stand's not up properly, Og. Put it in gear, it'll probably fucking conk out. Oh right. I've just backed over some child. Right, get in front, Og. Cheers, everyone. Cheers, everyone. Oh, fucking hell, it is a sharp left, Og, isn't it? Oh, if you're looping, I'm gonna fucking loop, Og. How's it looking? Yeah. Love a loop the loop. Cheers, everyone. Bye-bye, everyone. Fucking idiot. Well, that coffee was like piss, mate. Weren't happy with that. Need a bit of caffeine in my body, not fucking milk, hot milk. I looked at hard not pass, but then I thought, well, if your boys are going up any time, do it with them. Because I reckon that could be the first place to drop my bike. Just turned it on, I'll get you. Get your little fucking cheeky face in it with your little fucking stockinette over your fucking head. Fuck me, that's windy. No, they won't fucking. me of yours.
What wanky bike you've got?
You got everything. I'd love yours blowing there. I'd be made up. Look at that. Use your iPhone, mate. Good camera on them. You can send it me. Say me get my phone out, I can't be arsed. Don't forget get them scratches in on yours, dog. Look nice that well, look at that. My bike's bloody rammy. It's quick, Hog. It's fucking quick, Oggy. It's proper windy. What the fuck's that? It's your microphone, I can hear the wind blowing on it.
Well, if you carry on to the main road, then go through the town down to Balla Lake, where all the bikers go, if you want. Side of the lake. Oh, that's disgusting.
Off now, Ponderosa. Oggy will say he's left his indicator on because we're turning. You just turned the cunt off now though, haven't you? You fucking dickhead. Fucking Ponderosa. Tickled me that ass. Fucking Ponderosa. Oh god, tickled me that was Oggy. Yeah, there's been a smash, haven't there, definitely. We've got brushes out and shit. Fucking pheasant, poor cunt there on floor. Right, well. Well, Oggy. Do you know another way? Oggy and his fucking Kalimoto route. Fuck me a bus. Here's the A-team. Go on, go. Fuck me. He was going like fuck then. I saw the front of his car dip. I saw the front of his fucking car dip then, braking that hard. I was expecting it to be on the fucking right hand side then, mate. Don't know why I thought we were coming in from the other way. I'm lucky, Oggy. See where this lad's going. Some coach spots here, mate. Get up here. Up here, mate. Good dickheads from behind me. Yeah, got. I thought you were going to get the other side off me, you big twat. You fucking dick fuck.
A few moments later.
I must remember tightening my strap up on my helmet tomorrow. Honestly. I know, I've not done it yet. I just noticed then how loose it is. May as well not have the cunt fastened. I went wide. I went wide to lead in. Oh, you know, mate, got me knee on floor then. Fucking hell, I was about fucking 2 degrees lean then. My fucking bike leans more than me on side stand. Update. We're on our way to Whitchurch, Starbucks in Ponderosa, and Oggy's just had a bird shit on his leg. Love it, old shitty leg Oggy. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, fucking tickled. So how many miles we done? 180? 181, and I'd still had 30 odd left. So Supreme 99. Let's have some Supreme 99 and go on, bring it, baby. Bring it, baby. Drink all that shit. Drink it all. Oh yeah, you like that. You like that, don't you? Yeah. Okay. That'll do you, greedy bitch. Hiya, mate. Put one, please. Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Okay. Can't see what pump it is, the far one.
Fast backer. You embarrassed us, Gav. You ask him if I can come in his bed.
I can't hear the word he's talking in my head. Cheers, mate. You fucking twat. I got it that loud, probably.
I'm going to pull over there for Starbucks.
Okay, you probably come over and come in your beard in a minute. Come.